Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa and in today's video we will just be going through a week in my life. I don't really have anything special planned for this week, but I am going to be working on WIPS and just things that I have laying around that need to be finished or at least be worked on. But I do have an update on my earrings and I would like to show you. I did not film the process of making any of it. I was just cranking them out for my earring drop, which they are all for sale in the link in the description. It is the first link in the description down below, and also the link in my channel description. But I will begin by showing you the earrings that I got done this weekend, and yeah, they're all for sale and they're all super cute. So this first pair, little granny square, moment, we have sunflowers, we have pink flowers, white daisies, purple multicolor, pink, purple, and blue multicolor, and lastly we have these dark yellow and light yellow ones. So all of those are for sale, plus the ones I showed you in last week's video are all for sale in my store in the description. But for today, I'm going to be filming some shorts for YouTube, and I will also be filming some TikTok videos, so go follow me on TikTok, also in the description, also in my video channel description. But I will be filming some shorts and some videos. It is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day, everyone. So my boyfriend and I are going to go to lunch and going to go do a little bit of window shopping. But other than that, I have a whole free day because I don't work. And I don't work tomorrow, so I'll be working on a lot of WIPs and stuff. But I will take you along and film more this week. But for right now, I'm going to film a video of these earrings for TikTok and YouTube. And I'm going to film a video of going through a bag of inventory. That video did really well, so I'm going to make another one because I have a lot of inventory and a lot of stuff for sale. So if you're ever interested, comment below and I'll contact you or reach out. But let's get started with today's video, and I want to get started with filming. So see ya in a little bit when I start crocheting. Hello everyone, so I wanted to come on here and give an update for this week's video because I don't think I've come on here and updated you guys, but I wanted to show you some things that I finished. I did video a little more than I did last week, so I hope you enjoyed those clips, but here's what I made this week. Finished this little octopus. I finally finished all of the towels that I said I was going to make a couple weeks ago, but finally finished them all. So here's the two yellow ones, yellow striped ones, pink striped one, and the kitty cat one with pink on it. I wanted to work on some WIPS this week because I don't have any custom orders right now. My custom orders are open, but I don't have any right now. So if you want a custom order, comment down below and I'll reach out to you. But I wanted to work on some WIPS, and I will insert a couple clips of me pulling this out of my WIP drawer and working on it. But this is going to be a pillowcase cover that I have on my couch, and it is using leftover yarn from a advent calendar by Crochet Society that I made in 2024. So I just found this square pattern on YouTube. I think it's like the willow square or something, but I made all of these beautiful squares, and this is one panel, and this is the second panel. This is the back panel, the other one's the front panel, but I'm going to sew that all together now and put the buttons on, and I will take a video of it, and then I will show you at the end. Hi everyone, so I am back. I have finished the pillow. I took a little break and I had some lunch, and now I'm here to show you the finished pillow. So here it is. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. And I use these vintage, actually vintage buttons that I got from a friend, and yeah. And that is all for this week's video, and next week we will be working on a poncho sweater. I bought the pattern and I have all the yarn. I started a poncho before, but then I found this other pattern and I liked it way better, so I'm going to be working on that. I'm going to frog the project and make the new one, and that's going to be my project for next week. And if I get done with that, or if I get bored of it or whatever, I will work on WIPS because I have a lot. But that is it for today's video. Make sure to comment down below if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!